Hello everyone. So you have finished with the exams of ninth standard. Most of you have finished with the exams of ninth standard. That's what I have been told. Now, most of the students from our class, outside our class, in Pune and outside Pune, have requested me to begin with 10th standard lecture series also. So here we are, beginning with 10th standard from today. 10th standard algebra chapter 1 से चालू करते हैं. Of course, offline classes तो है, don't worry about that. That as usual we are going to begin from 24th April or 28th April as I have already announced. लेकिन सबको प्रॉमिस किया था वैसा प्रॉमिस मैं कीप कर रहा हूँ. We are beginning with lecture series which will be continuous throughout the year, video series. Okay, so you can keep on watching the videos in between so that all your basics will be clear. The advantage of a video is that if you don't follow any specific step, you can stop over there, pause, देख सकते हो वापस, फिर भी समझ में नहीं आया वापस देखो. And in case of, if at all you want to ask me, you can ask me personally also. You are most welcome. So guys, are you ready for the 10th standard? I'm sure you are. Okay? So let's begin. We have already seen the meaning of linear equation. Linear equation क्या है? 9th में देखा है, पहले देखा है हम लोग ने. What is a linear equation? First chapter in algebra, M2. Linear equations in two variables. इसमें से 9th में we have taken some example also. So we'll just revise. Directly I have taken two examples from exercise 1.1. देखो, first example. 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3, x plus 5y equal to 4. Okay? So 5x plus 2y equal to minus 3, x plus 5y equal to 4 are two equations in two variables. Two variables and two unknowns like x and y. Depending on the problem, the value of x and y keep on changing. So keep on varying. Therefore, they are called as variables. Linear means degree x raised to 1, y raised to 1, x raised to 1, y raised to 1. So अगर degree 1 है तो उसको बोलते हैं linear equations. Okay? If degree is 2, it is called as a quadratic equation. If it was 5x squared, then it becomes a quadratic equation, which is there in this quadratic equation का chapter अलग है. So these are the two equations given to us, linear equation. और एक चीज बोलना चाहता हूं मैं. If you see the word linear, if you concentrate on the first four letters, you get line. इसका मीनिंग है with the help of every linear equation in two variables, you can draw a line on a graph paper. वो भी देखने वाले हम लोग. This is only type 1 elimination method. बाद में type 2, type 3 we are going to use graphical method. Graphical method means by drawing straight lines we can solve two equations. That is called as graphical method. So because a line can be drawn from this equation and from this equation, they are called as linear equations. Okay, linear means a straight line draw कर सकते हैं ग्राफ पे. That is the reason they have been named so. Okay. So how do we solve? These are called as simultaneous equations also. Solve कैसे करते हैं? Elimination method. Elimination method means try to get the same term with opposite signs. Same term with opposite signs. For example, in equations 1 and 2, there are no two same terms. Same terms means यहाँ पे 5x है. I need to get 5x here also. 5x आने के बाद दोनों टर्म सेम हो जाएंगे. How do I get 5x here? By multiply equation 2 by 5. Multiply equation 2 by 5. So 5 into x plus 5 into 5y is equal to 5 into 4. Each term multiply by 5. So 5x plus 25y equal to 20. Clear? Multiply each term of equation 2 by 5. Now after multiplying this by 5, देखो क्या आ गया? You have 5x here and you have 5x here. Same terms आ गए. After getting the same terms, you have to get opposite signs. Sometimes opposite signs are already there. अगर साइन ऑपोजिट है पहले से तो चेंज करने की जरूरत नहीं है, लेकिन यहाँ पे 5x है, यहाँ पे 5x है. You have got same terms with same signs. So we need to subtract one equation. To subtract an equation means to change the sign of every term of that equation. तो subtract कब करते हैं? When you have got to change the sign. Now see over here. Plus 5x है, plus 5x है. So it is your choice. Select any one equation और उसके sign बदलो. I will select equation 1. Right? Because it has smaller numbers. ऐसा कुछ नहीं, equation 3 के भी sign बदल सकते हैं. I will select equation 1 and change the sign of each term, means minus 5x minus 2y plus 3. Now when I am changing the signs of equation 1, it means I am subtracting equation 1. So when I am subtracting equation 1 from equation 3, what do I write? Subtract equation 1 from equation 3. From equation 3 means equation 3 को कुछ करना नहीं है. Just write it as it is. 5x plus 25y equal to 20. Just write it as it is. And subtract this equation means change the sign of this equation. Minus 5x, sorry, equation 3 I have written as it is. I am subtracting equation 1, minus 5x minus 2y plus 3. So remember this. When you subtract an equation, you have to change the sign of each term. When you add both equations, कुछ करना नहीं है. और add कब करते हैं? When opposite signs are already there. For example, if minus 5x was already here, just write this equation below this without changing the sign. Automatically cancel हो जाएगा. So when you write this equation as it is, it means you are adding. कुछ करते नहीं है adding में. लेकिन subtracting में change the sign. So minus 5x minus 2y equal to minus 3. Change the sign of each term. अभी देखो साइन चेंज हो गया. Plus 5x minus 5x gets cancelled. 25y minus 2y. अभी minus 2y हो गया. 23y. Minus 3 का plus 3 हो गया. Remember दोस्तों कि sometimes while subtracting minus sign becomes plus. Don't worry, हम लोग subtract कर रहे हैं तो plus कैसा होगा? No. Subtracting means change the sign. Minus can become plus also. Okay? So 20 plus 3, 23. 25 minus 2, 23 again. So y is equal to 23 upon 23, that is 1. So y equal to what is one answer? Now we all know. एक आंसर आ गया तो क्या करना है? Put y equal to 1 in the simpler equation, either equation 1 or equation 2. It is your choice. कौन सी equation simpler लग रही है आपको? x plus 5y equal to 4. Put y equal to 1 in that. So x plus 5 into 1 equal to 4. So x plus 5 equal to 4. So x is equal to 4 minus 5. So x equal to minus 1. So solution set is written as xy minus 1 1. That is called as solution set or our answer. Quite simple, है ना? Just an extension of the 9th standard exercise. Elimination method. Okay. पहले elimination method complete करने के बाद we'll go to graphical method. Okay. So this was problem 5 from exercise 1.1. Now let us take problem 6. This was asked in one board exam. लिख लो. Just write the sum. ओके चालू करेंगे. फर्स्ट इक्वेशन इज 1/3 x plus y equal to 10/3. सेकेंड इक्वेशन 2x plus 1/4 y equal to 11/4. फर्क क्या है पहले सम और इसमें? वी हैव अ फ्रैक्शन हियर 1/3 10/3 1/4 11/4. डोंट वरी, लुक्स कॉम्प्लिकेटेड लेकिन आसान है. 2-3 स्टेप एक्स्ट्रा है. द एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप्स आर, फर्स्ट I am going to remove this 3 from equation 1. Fraction नहीं चाहिए denominator में, it becomes complicated. So when you have to remove this 3, what is the step? Multiply equation 1 by 3. Naturally, कैसे multiply करते हैं? 3 into 1 by 3x. You have to multiply each term. 3 into y, 3 into 10 by 3. 3 gets cancelled here, 3 gets cancelled here. X plus 3y equal to 10. 3 has gone. Okay. Come to equation 2. Equation 2 में से मुझे 4 नहीं चाहिए डिनोमिनेटर में. So multiply equation 2 by 4. 4 into 2x plus 4 into 1/4y plus 4 into 11/4. हर एक टर्म को मल्टीप्लाई करना जरूरी है. So 4 into 2x gives you 8x. 4 into 1/4, 4 cancels. 4 cancels. So what remains? 8x plus y equal to 11. यहाँ से 4 गया. ध्यान में रखो, you should multiply each term. So these are 2 extra steps required when fractions are given. Now they have been converted into our usual type, which we have to solve now. So earlier question was for 3 marks. This was asked for 4 marks. कैसे सॉल्व करोगे? Elimination method means to eliminate one term पहले, either x की term और y की term. कैसे देखना है? Try to get same terms first. आसान क्या हो जाएगा? यहाँ पे 3y है ना, try and get 3y there. Same terms. Second way is, यहाँ पे 8x है ना, try to get 8x over here. So you have a choice, either multiply equation 2 by 8 or equation 3 by 3. 3 is a smaller number, so I will select equation 3, multiply equation 3 by 3. अभी इधर डायरेक्ट किया है. दिस इज फॉर यू टू प्रैक्टिस. 8x into 3, 24x. y into 3, 3y, 11 into 3, 33. Right? Now check out. कौन सी इक्वेशन कन्वर्ट की है? This. Now for the moment, don't look at equation 3. 2 and 4 should be solved simultaneously now. Because you got 3y here and 3y here. What should you add or subtract? You have plus 3y here, plus 3y here. So naturally, I need to change the sign of one equation. बराबर सोचे. So you need to subtract one equation. Change the sign means subtract. So I will subtract equation 2 because it is the smaller one. Now when I am saying I am subtracting equation 2, क्या लिखना है? Subtract equation 2 from equation 4. Because I want to change the signs of equation 2. Equation 4 को कुछ करना नहीं है. देखो, subtract 2 from 4. मैं बोल रहा हूँ from 4. So I will write equation 4 first. From 4 means write equation 4 first. Subtract 2. Subtract 2 means change the sign of each term. Subtract and change the sign. So minus x minus 3y. 24x minus x, 23x. 33 minus 10, 23. Again you get 23 upon 23. Like in the earlier case, same answer. X is equal to 23 upon 23, x equal to 1. अभी आसान सी बात है. Put x equal to 1. अभी कौन सी इक्वेशन चूज करोगे? Forget about fractions. Okay? Forget about fractions. कौन सी भी इक्वेशन सिलेक्ट करो. Simple one. Equation 3. Right? So let us write that. So you get your solution set, final answer. Either you can write this symbol means corresponds to or equal to also 1, 3. How will you check if your answer is right? Put x equal to 1 and y equal to 3 in any one equation. You should get LHS equal to RHS. For example, if I select this now, कहाँ पे लिखूं? Okay, let us see. Put x equal to 1, y equal to, x is 1, y is 3. Verified. LHS equal to RHS यानी verify हो गया that the answer is correct. हाँ, so इसको बोलते हैं The values of x and y satisfy that equation. Satisfy that equation means LHS equal to RHS. Right? So we have started with 10th standard from today, 10th standard series lectures. You can tell your new friends about it. Forward the link to them, let them also join. We will have a big group. And online to chalu ho hi gaye. Offline we are going to start. Okay, so enjoy your online classes also. Right? So we'll stop here. We'll meet in another day or two with the next type. Now, next type मैंने कौन सा करने के देखेंगे अभी. Graphical method है या we will take some sums from the problem set. We'll see what to do. Bye till then. Video देखो, solve करो, enjoy your 10th standard. Don't worry, I'm there to help you out. Just relax and work hard. Bye.